And yes, I have been learning from Geetanjali, Dr. Geetanjali, and I have been having a beautiful experience. So I would share some of my experience here. I was not having a good relationship in my marriage life, and I was like feeling very how to tell anyone, how to go through. And we have been taught that ye sari cheezein you can't share with everyone. So
Hmm.
when I was going through that phase and when I came to understand about all these things, I felt it is a good time to learn something. And yes, it was a beautiful experience. And I was aware of many things. Okay, why I'm going through this experience and what is the best which I can do now. So I am telling you, it was so nice that I understood in my awareness. Okay, this is what I have been taken. Some of the lives where I have to go through something, or I can delete something, and after that, my life, and with that awareness, my life is better now. And I have been doing this for many other clients also. I have my personal clients where I'm working with them.
Hmm.
And for example, I two or three cases I remember, they had some financial issues and they had some ancestor issues. Oh, matlab they felt that there are some curse coming from 2 3 generations, and everyone in the family been going through some of the other issues in finance. Matlab ek time aate hain and then they go down again, and
Hmm.
that has helped us in this session. It was beautifully done when she was ready, and this helped me. The intuition was very nice. So whenever I go through my problems naturally, as ma'am said, okay, it is a practice which makes you more perfect. The more you do, the more intuitive you become, and this helps in day to day life, which I am feeling right now. I have two daughters, beautiful daughters. It helps me to help them how to deal in the day to day situation. It helps me in my clients, what is the best I can help them. And this has given me a wonderful experience in all. A best person, I think so, a good person from the time I was from back few years and I am right now. So it has helped me
Ansuji,
a great.
you mentioned, so I'm a big fan of real life examples. So I want to ask
Yeah.
you, you mentioned that, when you first learned Akashic, you weren't having a great time in your relationships.
Yeah.
Could you give us an example of, what was happening before and what
Okay.
changed
Yeah.
after?
So one was the thing where my husband was not wanting to earn anything. Yeah, he would spend money which would always go in loss. So
Hmm.
he had a factory which went into a loss, and I was going through almost like a breakdown emotionally and financially. And
Hmm.
because of that, we had fights continuous, and which I felt like I would leave him and go back to my parents' house. It was so
Gosh.
much of trauma that I was not able to handle it.
Hmm.
And I went for my mom's place for some months also. I would not say that. And when I came across Dr. Geetanjali and all this Akashi, I was very curious to know how does it help. I
Hmm.
think so. Every one of us would want, okay, how does it help? Okay,
Yeah.
you would change your life. So when I went, I understood this and I gone through the sessions. I learned it. I felt yes, there is something. So there was a life when I felt okay, we have taken some oaths, vows, whatever happened, I would be
Hmm.
with you, and so many things which came there. And
Hmm.
I felt okay, now this is something which I need to understand. Why is he doing that way, and why am I reacting in this particular
Ah.
things, and where is it where we can find some peace in this relationship.
Hmm.
And then with that awareness, with that reading what the prayers and whatever affirmations, slowly it takes time. I would not
Hmm.
say it is a magic and it will happen overnight, but the
Hmm.
patience you get in this time where you are really patient and you go through that process day by day.
Hmm.
So I know I had one client who was telling, "अरे एक दिन में हो जाएगा क्या?" It is not happening. It is not a magic. You have to go through it. But
Hmm.
I'm sure if you have that patience and you can do it. If I can do, I always say them. If I can do, anyone can do. Because I am very sensitive person. And when all this was going, I really felt like I want to suicide. That was the time I was going through and that trauma I was going through. So yes, this has helped me a lot.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much, Pansriji. Thank
Thank
you
you,
for
dear. Thank
sharing
you so much.
that.
I hope this helps everyone to go through and help your own self. It is nothing to do with
I'm
others.
sure.
It is to go with your own self, and then yes, with your practice, you can do it for anyone in your family. Thank you so
That's
much.
true. Thank you so much, Bansriji.
Thank you, dear.
A healer, and now and she comes on so many those groups are there on Facebook.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
She has increased her clientele also a lot.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes. Thank you
fantastic.
so much.
Fantastic. So
Thank
you're a Akashic practitioner now yourself, Bansriji.
Yes, yes, yes. I have done with her, and it is a beautiful experience to go through it.
Hmm.
I have done 2, 3 courses with her, and I really love her. And the things is, it is so nice to connect with some people. You connect nicely. Matlab, this is where you get your answers. I
Yeah.
myself do many therapies here, and yeah, she is a very big pillar in that my life to help me move forward.
Hmm.
So yeah, that is nice. Good
Wonderful. Thank you
experience
so
I
much,
have.
Bansriji.
Thank
We've got a
you.
whole bunch of questions, so I'm going to go back to asking Gitanjali. So
Thank you so
thank you
much.
so much.
Bye.